That's how I told him. I was like, follow me to the park, you know?
Brownwood.
It's just as foggy down there. I used to live in Stockton. Well, if you wrinkle something, he'll put his ears up and look. Like if you had a treat. Like,
Yeah, something to wrinkle.
Treats on him.
whoa, like this. Like.
Give him a carrot.
Well, he just needs to know like
Like crinkle?
this. Like he's like, what's in here?
Oh, I see.
He'll molest everything. He has no boundaries.
Dang.
He's like, dude, you got some?
What's his name?
His name is Gunner. Yeah, and that's Jake. Well, that was Jake over there. Yeah, he's like, he's all about the treats. It's like, where's the treats, man?
That horse. Haven't got that one yet.
Yeah, what's up, man?
What's up, cow?
Hey.
Yeah, it looks like there's an old cabin up there. There goes the horses, Gunner and Jake. There goes Yori. There's a bunch of cows out here. I see people going there, dude, and like take pictures.
How do you think of the trip? It's kind of hard to have
It's pretty cool, huh?
It's all in like really good condition, huh? Dude, no one knows about this spot.
Huh?
Just have a peaceful out here in the morning, dude. You could just take a look at this picture and like, you can get the vibe, you know?
The cows there. It's cool they keep it open to the public, huh?
Yeah.
Usually this stuff's fenced off, huh?
Because like in other states, dude, they probably like everything like open, huh?
See how close they'll let me get. Hey, cows. Yep.
What about my flashlight, huh?
I think I have one. Try this.
Yeah, you need a better light. This is a nice little size.
Orange leaves. Oh shit. Kind of cool. I thought that was like stairs.
You just don't know.
Yeah.
Dude, I was like, dude, this song's hella sick. Joe's channel. Like, dude, I think it's a sick ass song.
These are old structures right here. Yeah. There's like stepping stones you could walk up, dude. Oh, look, you can see the lake from here, dude.
You can see the what?
The lake. Nice, huh?
It's all barking. Watching as the brown one.
Alright, we're gonna go up on this second rock. Yeah. Oh. There's a baby cow, a big black cow, and a big brown cow. They might get protected because there's a baby. Oh look, there's another one, a brown one. You can see the lake coming in now. To the highest mountain. There's it on the top.
I could not.
If you step in cow shit, it's just grass. But there's a lot of cow shit. It's hard, huh? Let's just jump it. That shit won't move, man. Right here is probably easier. Let's see. Huh? Let's see if I can skip a rock on this little stream. It looks like we ran into the horses again. Buster and Jake. Gunner and Jake. You hear the cows coming after you. Yeah, we went a little off trail. We went check out the cabin and we went up on those little rock structures. But there's a bunch of cows up there.
There's some of those like grinding rock things.
Yeah.
You know, it's pretty cool.
No, it's
He's coming for you. Yeah, we
We've
have
seen
cow
it.
horses.
Okay. Yeah, see the baby? That might be the mom right there. That one has udders, so that's a mom. They said don't make eye contact. No, I'm just kidding. Big cow. There you go. See? Oh yeah. You just gotta put the lever down.
Work, but like, I think we didn't push the lower lever. Huh?
This one's super foggy, man. Look, huh? Because we're by the water. We have to walk through here. Hey cows. Hey cows.
More vodka, huh?
Be alert in case they run at you.
Like tequila, I don't know what it is.
Look, that one's standing his ground, huh? That one.
I was like long hair. No, he got food in his mouth. Oh, go dookie, huh?
Shitting
got
on himself.
Shit, huh? Yeah, no more shit.
We're scaring the shit out of him.
Shit, yeah, grandpa. Hey, you can see the lake.
Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 babies. Look, that one's running.
Yeah, they got 5 kids, huh?
There she goes. That means she might charge.
They know what's fun.
There she goes.
Taking her baby.
Oh yeah, that's the baby.
So a teenager. These guys.
That baby won't move, dude. It's not scared.
I am not.
The baby's gonna charge you?
No, they're pretty cool. So, shout out to Tony, huh? Joe?
What's that?
Joe's like, you shout out Tony, like,
Yeah.
Tony, yo, man. That fool will make you laugh. He'll give you a stomachache. Huh?
Check out Tony Yo Man on YouTube.
Shout out to Dish, and give another shout to Ernesto.
Yeah, shout out to Dish camping channel with Ernest Storm Explorers.
Like Hamish, he's like, oh, I was watching John Levy's.
Mr. Uncut.
Is that how you find out about shit, though?
Who else do we
puts
got?
me on people.
Look, that baby's stuck, but he'll run around.
I thought that was like a spike here. It's not. It's soft.
Yeah. Here, since Vero's not here, found a mushroom.